gonna make some popcorn. Hop, 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 hop. So the ingredients we'll need is a baggie. These things. Measuring cup. Popcorn. Vinegar. And baking soda. So, first, maybe second, you'll put some water in the Ziploc baggie. So now, we're going to put 2 cups of water in your Ziploc baggie. Oh. Don't forget the second one. This. Find 1 TSP on your spoon thingy and scoop 2 teaspoons of baking soda and put it in the baggie. Make sure it isn't too full. About this is just right. So put 1 scoop. If you get too much, just do this. You get too much. And pour. We switched to a smaller bag for you to see the popcorn. So now we'll pour the popcorn into here. These are the popcorn seeds. We are going to pour them in here. And look at the water to see them sink. They sunk like little mini yellow pirate ships. There's treasure. The treasure we will find. We're going to pour half a cup of vinegar into here. Ah. Whee! And then cute popcorn. But we're not done. That's spraying on me. Don't spray on my stuff. But hey, look. Popcorn. It doesn't smell great, but who cares? It smells horrible. It's all over me. They're taking the little rides to the top. Oh, there's a little cluster. Oh,
What are they riding?
Bubbles. Air.
How are those bubbles made?
Vinegar and the baking soda.
They have a chemical reaction, right?
Uh-huh.
And what do they make?
Carbon dioxide.
And they ride the carbon dioxide bubbles up. And then the bubbles pop. And they fall back to the bottom. And they ride more bubbles up.
Ooh, that old one. I can shake it. Ooh, fun. Getting puffy because I think there's a ton of air inside that wants to escape.
I think you're right.
I'm gonna open it. It's gonna burst. Oh, hi, cat. Maybe you should shake it. See what happens then. But wash your hands after you do this.
Why is that?
Because there's vinegar all over your hands. And you can also try this with other things, like rice and raisins. Raisins are light. Rice might be a bit heavier, so it might not work as well.
Why do you think the raisins would work?
Because there's little sockets that bubbles can go in easily.